Hi. Wasn't it Jake or Logan Paul was trying to make the illegal fight against someone that if you knock him out, they didn't win the money or something retarded like that? Look, boxing was incredible before these celebrities, morons who got no dignity and nothing have come along. Tommy Fury ends his fucking career. Jake Paul, Logan Paul, I don't know what the fuck he's fighting. Both the same. They are morons. They put America on a bad stage. America doesn't need them. And they need Woody, the retirement by neurologist surgeons, what they're called, saying they can't box anymore. Because I hope Tom Fury, whoever he's fighting out of those two, puts him to hell. Because they're loud, they're arrogant, they're ignorant, they're lawbreakers, and they're scum. And I think it's Logan Paul hurt Tommy Fury, knocks him the hell out of him within 10, and umpire don't just jump in to protect him. If Logan Paul goes down, let Fury carry on with a fucking few punches. 2 maybe, 3 maybe. I don't care. Because the Paul brothers are what makes Americans look stupid while supporting those clowns. Simple. Tommy Fury, you should take the Ology, the passion, whatever, training from Tyson, because you can knock them good and knock them for once and final and for last. Thank you. I'm out. Good night.